Every day, across the world, you will find dedicated people who are committed to their work. These are the people who clean. For them, leaving one small detail overlooked is not an option. These are the people who keep the wheels turning, hour after hour, day after day. At Nilfisk, we share these people's commitment and dedication to make the world a cleaner place. We've been doing it for over 100 years. From our innovative laboratories and engineering studios, through to our service and customer departments, we're determined to offer them only the very best in cleaning solutions. And by empowering our customers with the world's leading cleaning technology, we're clearing the way for higher productivity and a cleaner and safer every day for millions of businesses and homes around the world. From germ-free hospitals to heavy industry, from busy offices and vast warehouses, construction sites, airports, libraries, and even the places our children play. These are the people who are dedicated to you and to everyone. And we're right there with them. We are Nilfisk, and we're clearing the way.